So what's going on here? Well, we've got to do some maintenance, trying to get ready to go to cruising the coast. So we've got to try to do something about these axle seals. The thing you got to do is get her up in the air, and then you got to let the springs droop so that you can actually get the tires out from under the wheel wells. They're tucked under there pretty good. And pull the drum off. And as you can see, she's dripping oil on both sides. Fortunately, this is a pretty good design, and it doesn't actually get any oil on the brake shoes. With the design of this, it directs the oil to the back side of the brake plate, and oil doesn't get on your shoes. So, there you go. Time for us to get busy. Got the camera equipment out, got the fan, gotta get to work.